Today I will be bringing you a Halloween DIY. I'll be using a picture frame, 2 printables, spray paint, and a piece of cardstock. I'm just going to let you watch the video. Just please be advised, this picture is a true story of 2 young lovers. They were forbidden to see each other. One night they met. They also met their fate. To this day, they still meet in the same place. Please remember, when you are forbidden and you take that chance, you could also meet every day or every night at the same place if you meet your fate. This was a very sad story. There is a twist. They had one child that no one knew of. That child is alive today. They may be on YouTube. They could be you or me. No one knows the identity. This is a very sad story. It is said that the 2 young lovers know where their child is, and they stay with them each day and watch over them. Could it be you? Could it be me? We may never know. Always be aware of your surroundings. If you feel that someone's watching you, they could be. It could be the 2 young lovers or your parents, your real parents. We'll never know. I think I know where to get a picture of the child when they were younger, but that will be in another video. Be careful. Look behind you. Be aware. It is said the 2 young lovers will reveal themselves to their true child on Halloween night. Happy Halloween. Thank you for watching. I will see you, hopefully, in the next video.